Today's featured car of the day is a 1955 Plymouth Belvedere Sport Coupe with a surprise under the hood, a Hemi V8 and dual quads. And this one was a beauty. It was a recipient of a nut and bolt restoration and had a nice two-tone interior, red and black to match the red and black exterior. And this one also had the rare factory air conditioning, which not too many of the Mopars had back in the mid-50s. And I filmed it at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California, where it was getting a lot of lookers and had the upgraded underdash air conditioning with the vintage air unit under the hood. But you can see the Hemi V8 under the hood with the dual quads. I'm not sure what size engine it is. The owner wasn't anywhere around, so I couldn't ask any questions, but looks to me like it's probably a 331 Hemi, and going to be a lot better than the six-cylinder or the little V8 that they had in it back in the day, because the Hemi wasn't available. This Hemi made a big difference, I'm sure, to it as far as the power. For 55, that was all new, the Plymouth Belvedere. All the Plymouths underwent a major overhaul for the 1955 model year. And this was the first year for Chrysler stylist Virgil Exner's forward look. And the Belvedere was the top-of-the-line model, which is what this one is. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Motor City, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.